So, good afternoon, class. So, how was your day today? Okay, very good. So, before you take your seat, please pick up a pieces of paper and arrange your chairs. Then you can now sit. Okay, good. So, before we start to our discussion, so let me discuss to you my classroom rules. So, I have 3 classroom rules. So, first, listen attentively in order for you to answer my questions after our discussion. Second is avoid using cell phones, okay, para makapaminaw jud mo og duro. And then last is raise your right hand if you have any questions or clarifications about our lesson. So, am I clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, before that, let me check your attendance. So, who is absent from our class? Okay, so anyone from you who knows why they are absent? So, why is your absent? Okay. So, before we proceed to our discussion, let's have a recap. So, anyone from the class who can recall what is our previous topic? Okay, Miss Bernadette.
So the previous topic is on weights and means.
Okay, very good. Let's give 5 claps for Miss Mitiaga. Okay, so according from the previous discussion, so what is the importance of making 2D animation? So, Miss Mirenguez, can you please state what is the importance in making 2D animation?
So it is very important to know the ways or the sequence in creating 2D animation. It's because without the ways on how to sequence the steps in animation is maot kayo yung animation wala siya ikam.
Okay, so very good. Let's give 5 claps for Miss Mirenguez. So before that, let's have an activity. So it's called Guess Me. So I will show a picture, an anime character or a movie character. Then you will guess kung asa siya gikan na salida. Okay, so I will divide you into 2 groups. So this will be the group 1 and the group 2. So kada isa ka grupo na isa ka representative. Motindog there sa tunga. All you have to do is kana mo step lang ka ug maka-answer inyong grupo. Representatives lang there. Siguro magtindog ito. Okay, Mr. Ikaw and Mr. Fernandez. So, dali mo mag-start.
Pwede mo
Kanang kuan. Ikaw lang sila mo step forward if maka-answer ang group. So, I will show you a picture. Then, i-identify ninyo asa siya gikan na animation or movie. Pero, kanang nailag isa mo hands up o hanay o hands up sa mo answer. So, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Nasabtan na ba ang ikuan direction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ready na ba mo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. First is okay, Charles.
Basta kay Ikuan.
Juan, asan siya ka na mo?
That's Pokemon Go. Si Asher na. Si Asher ay.
Very good. So, 1 point, step forward.
Yeah.
Nani points, ma'am?
Yes. Okay, so next we have okay.
Ay, ako! siya Super Mario.
No.
Or Hotel Transylvania.
No.
Pass.
Okay, so pass. Wala ni. Next. 1, 2, 3.
That is my favorite one of my favorite Disney franchises. And that is Beauty and the Beast.
One point for the one is move forward. And lastly, okay, we're good. The winner is the group 1. Give a round of applause. Thank you for the representative. So, out from our TPT or our guide, what do you think will be our topic for today? So, Miss Bagyo.
Based on activity ang topic is I'm making 2D and 3D animation.
Okay, you have an idea? Yes, Miss Coronel?
I think our topic for today is all about relating 2D and animation.
Okay, very good. So, our topic for today is about relating 2D and 3D animation. Okay, so what comes into your mind when you hear the word 2D? Okay, anyone from the class? Yes, Miss Labadan? What comes into your mind when you hear about 2D animation? Very good, Miss Labadan. Thank you. Okay. Next question is what comes into your mind when you hear the word 3D animation? Miss Fernandez.
3D animation is a realistic animation like Rapunzel is the most winning award siya, the most 3D animations among the Disney princesses na animation.
Okay, very good, Miss Fernandez. Thank you. So, at the end of the lesson, you as a student will be able to relate 2D animation to 3D animation. So, before that, I have here 2 pictures. Then, anyone from the class who can stand up? Okay, Miss Maribao. So, based on the picture that I have shown, spot the difference between the two.
So, in this picture, 2D animation is the one sa mga nandito na created ng studio kung saan ang animation.
Okay.
And then also this picture 3D we're gonna marketing over here guys. There's the sama and then guys, diba makita din yung mga skinny yung mga
Okay, so sa nakita pa lang nato no na sa picture pa lang daan makita na nato ang difference between 2D and 3D. So, it is important to discuss about the relationship between 2D animation and 3D animation because it can be helpful in students and of course to the future animators. But also to the professional na mga animators na which na ganan sila mosabay sa current na diri sa ato ang world which is the technological advancement bitaw. Then important sab siya kay in order for us to see the difference jud ni 2D og ni 3D animation. Unsa man jud ilang kalalian and nganong na forman si 3D asa siya gikan. So So can you, everyone, please read?
Animation is a series of still images in between large numbers. If we project to look like a live movie, as we'll see the movie, a cartoon, television, and widescreen, so we conclude animations are projected to turn on stationary objects move.
So we all know what animation is. It is already discussed in our previous reporter. So when we say animation, diba, kuan lang siya kanang, it is an image na stationary lang kanang gapundo, pero tungod sa animation, ang isa ka image or object is kuan kanang mulihok na siya move. Ano na siya illusion na inyong makita. So, nasabtan na ba ang animation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's proceed to computer animation. So, computer animation is the art of producing a moving image to the use of computers and a partial field of computer graphics and animation. So, when we say computer, it is the use of technology, Jud.
Yes, ma'am.
So, computer animation. Dili na ka makagawa og kanang more enhanced na animation. Unlike sa atong traditional na kuan lang mano-mano, for example, katong flipbook, mga ngato lang. So, sa computer animation is you use a technology or a computer to create an animation or para mas enhance ang imuang animation. Okay, nasabtan na ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next is known that many types of animation is animated 2D and 3D visuals. The differences of 2D and 3D visuals animation is viewed from this perspective. So, for example, ani is hulman sa nato ni. So, as you can see, no, kanina object, kanilang nabalay. So sa inyong makita dira, unsa ra inyong makita ang kanilang dira lang mo gapunto sa inyong perspective?
Front.
Yeah, lang front. So mura lang siya yung shape, di ba? Then if one, diri na side, unsa inyong makita?
Ang yung
Makita siya sa liyo at ubangan sa
Okay, so di ba? Depende po siya sa perspective sa isa ka tawo kung asa siya na side naglantaw. For example, ang isa sa object. And then next is please read everyone.
2D animation using the coordinates X and Y, while the 3D animated visuals using the coordinates X, Y, and Z, which allows us to see the point of view in a more tangible object.
Okay, so 2D animation DI is using the coordinates X and Y. So when we say X and Y, ang X, mo ni siya ang X-axis, which is na yung makita sa isang sa image or picture is ang iyaa lang kanang pa horizontal from left to right. And ang Y is ang Y-axis, which represents the vertical movement, which is from up to down. So, mo na siya ang sa 2D animation. So, while ang 3D animated visuals, nag-use siya og the coordinates X, Y, and Z. So, tulo na siya kabuo. So, kabalo naman sa ng X o Y, which is katong horizontal o ang vertical, then there is a Z, mo siya ang depth sa isa ka image. Which is kanang makita na yun mo kung unsa iya ang front o ang back. Mo na siya ang nasa 3D. Dira ang X, Y, and Z. So, nasabtan na ba?
Yes, ma'am.
For example, ani is kani. So, nana siya kanang X. Makita lang mo siya sa kuan din. Pag abot na dito sa Z, is makita dyan mo siya ang buo bitaw, ang real na kuan formation sa isa ka image or object. So, nasabtan na ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, next, please read everyone.
The 3D animation is a day-edge graphic presentation which is achieved through computer software and digital generators. This graphical tool is now the norm in modern motion pictures, video presentation formats, animated films, commercials, and virtual walkthrough the web presentation and tools.
So, dito sa 3D animation. So, karon jud na kuan generation, mo na or era, mo na jud niya ginagamit no sa mga para magama sila og video or mga anime na mga movie, ang 3D kay kuan kanang mas appealing